Hi everybody, it's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today in my life I am opening a Stitch Fix box. So if you want to know what's in this little bitty living space, then stay tuned.
There must be another way, there must be conscious, different things in different ways, there must be love, there must be...
Before I do get started with opening this box, I do just want to welcome you to my channel and say hello. My name is Miranda and I am so glad you stopped by to watch this unboxing. I am really hoping that there are some summer items in here. I'm a little bit nervous about what is in this itty bitty box, but hopeful. I mean, I kind of shook it a little bit and it made a little bit of a jingle. So I'm thinking there might be something I don't get very often in my Stitch Fix boxes. All right. When you open up your box, you do get this prepaid mailer. It does not cost you anything to send back the items that you choose to not keep. Ooh, I was right. Look, I have jewelry. I never get jewelry. I think I've gotten jewelry maybe like once or twice, but not very often. My box, some of it is a little bit crazy in there. Like, look at my little envelope. It looks like it was ran over by a truck. All right, when you open up your envelope, you do get this little card. It says, "Oh, hello," and it shows you what is in your box. I always try to look at that last, just because I don't want it to give it away what is in here. All right. So this is what is in the jewelry box. And it has a little card. It says Maryland Schiff. Show us your Maryland Schiff style. Tag your pictures. And it is a bracelet. So it's got beads and it's several little layers. It's got this tie right there. I'm really assuming that that is just to hold it together. You guys, the cat is right here and I've been out of town for about 10 days and he is like so in my face. Usually he's in my face kitty, but he's really in my face kitty right now. He wants to be up here with me and there's nowhere for him to be. You have to sit right there. So anyways, as I was saying, there is the bracelet. I'm assuming that this tie is just to hold it together, but I won't untie it until I know if I'm going to keep it. Then let's see what is in my bundle. My little burrito, as some call it. Did you see that? Yep, he knocked the camera and he said, shoop, as soon as I laid the box over there. All right, you'll hear him. He always loves the paper and he likes to get in any of the boxes. So it looks like we've got some florals, maybe some black. All right, let's get into this little bundle. All right, opening up this little bundle. One thing I do want to tell you about Stitch Fix also that I really like is that you can go every day and kind of thumbs up or thumbs down some of their style picks for the day. And that is always really nice because they can go back and look and see what you like and what you don't and what your style is. All right, let's get this little guy all untangled. And it is a little tank floral tank. It's really pretty, really springy. The material is nice and light, kind of swings, and it is by Luck, L-U-Q. And they sent it to me in a size extra large. It's got the little tassels there at the top. All right, the next item is, ooh, I love a kimono. This one is in a floral mustard color. It's by Emery Park. It's also an extra large. I'm probably gonna have to go in there and change my sizes, but we will try these on anyways. I personally still like to wear kimonos. It is either very hot in my office or very cold. So one thing with a cardigan or a kimono, I can, you know, layer and take off if I get hot or cold. So I like that. All right. Then the next item, oh, we have a pair of athleisure leggings. They've got the little cutouts here. They look like they're going to be a crop. And they're in a heathered pink color with a nice wide band. They are by Thread for Thought. And I have other Thread for Thought leggings, and I do really like them. They sent them to me in a size large. It says breathable fabric, stretch, reflective, wicking, moisture wicking. And it says pockets, but this one does not have pockets. All right, and then the last item is, dun dun dun. What? Did they send me a dress? Yes, please. It is a dress. Cute. All right, so it's in black and it's got these big floral pattern here and a nice ruffled sleeve. It does have a little bit of a wrap there on the top, and there's the back. I know you probably can't see because it is black, but it's got the elastic waistband right here. Before I try the items on, let me go ahead and read the style card. This says, your style delivered. Hi Miranda, happy Fix Day. I hope this finds you well. I chose some really fun pieces for summer that I hope you will love. The Love Apella maxi dress is so feminine and fun. Pair it with sandals and a denim jacket for a casual day out, or try it with wedges and a lightweight cardigan for a night out. I just bought a pair of little platform wedges from DSW. I will link that video up here for you if you have not seen it, but those shoes are going to be really cute, I think. Let's see. The Emery Park kimono is the perfect layering piece for summer. I love the vibrant color of this one by Emery Park. Try it layered over a simple tank paired with jeans and slides for a chic summer combination. I thought a pair of cropped leggings would come in handy this season. Pair them with a simple tee or tank and sneakers for a comfy casual look. I hope you enjoy all your new pieces and they fit and feel amazing. Cheers, Kathleen. All right, so there is the bracelet up there. And then the kimono, I think I have a white little tank. I don't know if I have a black one, but we'll see what I can find. I do have a jean jacket that I can wear over the dress. And then the little tank, of course, with a pair of little cute shorts. All right, let's go on to a try on. Okay, so I have looked at myself in the mirror with this dress and I love it. It is by Love Appella. It is a great little maxi dress. I really like it. I love the sleeves. I think they're cut really nice on me. I do have some bigger, fluffier arms. I love the neckline here. It's kind of sexy, you know, if I were gonna go out on date night. The waist, elastic waist, hits right here, which I think is very flattering for me. And then here is the back. I really try not to move around a lot when I'm doing try-ons down here because the floors are creaky. And yeah, so I love this dress. I will kind of bend you down quietly just so you can see that I paired them with the wedges like she said, and they are really cute. And it just nice and flowy and swingy and a great dress. All right, if I didn't tell you, it is $78. I'm gonna go and try on the next item. Next up, I put on the Rochelle tie detail halter top, off-white, size extra large for $38. I did just kind of tuck my bra straps in a little, so that's why you see some poking out here. But this is the full look. I just put them on with my Birkenstocks, and these are a just short pair of buckle shorts, distressed. You will see them in a shopping haul. I feel like I love it. I like the material. It is very flowy and it's not real heavy. It's nice and light, but I feel like it's a bit big. I had to move the adjusters all the way to here, and so as I lose even more weight, there's not going to be anywhere for those to go. So if this box ends up being a 5 for $5, then I might have to see if they have it in a large. But there's a lot of material here, which in the hot summer you don't want anything to you know, cling to you too much, but it's still a lot of fabric. But here I'll show you the back. So it is halter style, and it is really cute. So let me know what you think of this one, if you think I should try to see if they have it in a large. Next up is the Emery Park kimono. It is the Roxy Open Kimono in mustard, size extra large for $28. All right, this isn't the best tank to put on, but it's what I had readily available. I need to get some more white ones. I don't know that I love it. I feel like it's still, once again, a little bit big. If I buy kimonos, I usually buy mediums, but it is cute paired with my cutoff shorts and my Birkenstocks. Nice and light, maybe with a different colored tank under it. I don't know how I feel. Maybe if I could find like a blush. I did put it on with a black one and I didn't like that look either. So let me know in the comments what you guys think of this one. It does have the slits on the side, and I would have to see if they had it in a smaller size. I think the extra large is just too much. Last item that I have on is the Thread for Thought Monica Crisscross Crop Leggings in burgundy. Size large for $38. I just kept the little see-through tank on. I know you can see my bra. Sorry about that. But these are the leggings. They fit good in the waist. They hold it all in, which is nice. I'm going to carefully bend you down a little so you can see better maybe. They do have the crisscrosses. I feel like they might be a little bit tight in the thighs. Even when I was a size 2, I still had bigger thighs and calves. My legs have just always been bigger, but they probably stretch out. I'll have to decide. They're a good price. I do have a Fabletics video coming up, so once I try those leggings on, then I'll decide about these. But let me know what you guys think of these leggings. All right, I am going to go put my clothes back on and get ready for a recap. Let's see my final thoughts on all of these items. The kimono I really do like. I did look up to see if they had a smaller one and they didn't. So for that reason, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna send that back. The leggings are another maybe. Like I said, I have my Fabletics coming or it's here. I just have to film it, and those are already paid for. So I don't really know that I'm gonna need more leggings, but we will see. I also looked up the halter, which I think is super cute, but too big, and they don't have another size smaller. They only had a size bigger, so I'm going to send that back. I am, however, going to keep this cute little dress. I love this, and I was worried about the length. I got to looking, it is a petite. So there we have it. That's why it fit nice, and then the bracelet is really cute too. All right, let's look at what the damage is. The total stylist pick subtotal is $220. If I were to have bought everything, it was a 25% discount, making it $165. I live in Nebraska, so I get charged a sales tax, which they don't have on here. Shipping's free, and the order total is $165 plus sales tax that I get charged. So not a bad price. I love the price of the box. I wish that I could keep everything, but it's just not going to work out. But I am going to keep this sweet little dress. Let me know in the comments what you guys thought of this fix, and if you want to try a Stitch Fix for yourself, then go ahead and click the link below. All right, have a lovely day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we